Hello friends, welcome back to the Curious and Creative Mind channel. Please subscribe for updates and new video upload notifications. Today we'll show you how to cut a star fruit. Today we will show you how to make star fruit and star fruit guava masala. So first we have to cut two ends of the star fruit. The pieces looks like stars, that's why it is called the star fruit. Now we have to cut the edges slightly. ओके चलो चलते हैं काटते हैं. Cut the rest in star-shaped pieces. So nice! कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. It tastes sweet and sour. Transfer the pieces into a bowl. Finely chop handful of cilantro or dhania leaves. Then add 1/3 tablespoon of rock salt. Then cumin or jeera powder. Add little black pepper powder. Add little chili powder. Then add 2 tablespoons of mustard sauce or kasundi. Mix them well. finely chopped cilantro or dhania leaves. Mix them well. Add a spoon of sugar if the star fruit is sour. Mix them well. It's so yummy and mouth-watering. Okay, चलते हैं. We'll add guava now. Cut a medium-sized guava into small pieces. Transfer into the bowl of star fruit. Add small amounts of chili, black pepper and cumin powders. Add half spoon of mustard sauce again. Mix them well again. It's so yummy and mouth-watering. We hope you enjoyed the video, my friends. Please like, subscribe, comment and share.